Hello everyone. Are you tired of struggling with dull kitchen knives that just won't cut through a single tomato? Today we are taking a close look at the best electric knife sharpener to bring your blades back to life. Welcome back to Cool Product, your favorite place for awesome kitchen gear. Let's get started. Now let us talk about the incredible Dawnstar Electric Knife Sharpener. This amazing machine is specifically designed to bring professional-grade sharpening right into your home kitchen. If you have ever felt frustrated by blunt blades while prepping dinner, the Dawnstar Electric Knife Sharpener is here to solve your problems. One of the biggest highlights of this tool is its clever dual-stage sharpening system. The first stage allows for quick crude sharpening to fix damaged edges, which is followed by a fine stage that carefully polishes the blade. This creates a smooth and burr-free edge. With this system, your knives will regain their sharpness in just a few seconds, making your everyday cutting tasks feel absolutely effortless. To achieve these great results, the Dawnstar tool uses premium diamond abrasives. Diamond is a material renowned for its extreme hardness and sharpening efficiency. Using diamond allows blades to be sharpened faster and with less effort, while achieving a smoother and more precise edge compared to traditional methods. Another fantastic benefit is its wide compatibility. The Dawnstar Electric Knife Sharpener works perfectly with a wide range of kitchen knives. You can use it easily on straight blades, serrated edges, stainless steel, and even ceramic varieties. This makes it a versatile companion for all of your various culinary needs. To make the process even easier, it features an upgraded auto angle guide. This means sharpening no longer requires special skill or guesswork. The guide automatically ensures that each blade is positioned at the perfect angle every single time. This saves you time and greatly improves the consistency of your edges. The design also focuses on stability and overall comfort. It features a lower center of gravity to keep it firmly planted on your countertop. It also includes 4 anti-slip foot pads on the bottom to prevent sliding. Alongside that, the ergonomic handle reduces vibrations, making the sharpening process much safer and comfortable. This impressive machine is designed for global use. The Dawnstar S865 Electric Knife Sharpener supports a 100 to 240 volts input range, which means it is suitable for home chefs worldwide. On top of that, the brand stands behind their quality, with customer-focused services. They include 12 months of free replacement or a refund if anything goes wrong, along with 24 months of after-sales support. This gives you confidence in your purchase and ensures long-term satisfaction. Overall, the Dawnstar S865 Electric Knife Sharpener combines precision, efficiency, and convenience, transforming knife maintenance into a quick and reliable process. Do not let dull blades ruin your cooking fun. Check the price link in the description to get your hands on this tool today. Like and subscribe to Cool Product for more helpful gadget guides just like this one. Thank you so much for watching today. Take care and happy cooking!